Understanding the phrase, DIY enthusiast. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating and increasingly popular term, DIY enthusiast. This phrase is not just two simple words, but a doorway into a world of creativity and self-reliance. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you understand what it means to be a DIY enthusiast and how it's used in everyday conversation. So, let's dive in. DIY stands for do-it-yourself. It's a term used to describe activities where individuals create, build, or repair things without the direct help of professionals or experts. DIY can involve a wide range of tasks, from home improvement and crafting to more complex projects like electronics or woodworking. The essence of DIY is about taking on projects yourself and using your skills to create or fix something. Now, let's look at the word enthusiast. An enthusiast is someone who is very interested in and spends a lot of time doing a particular activity or hobby. They have a lot of passion and energy for what they do and often seek to learn more about it. When we combine this with DIY, it paints a picture of someone who is not only interested in doing things themselves but is also passionate and dedicated to these activities. A DIY enthusiast is therefore someone who loves taking on new projects and challenges themselves. They might be seen creating home decor, fixing broken items, or even building furniture. For a DIY enthusiast, the process of making or repairing something is a source of joy and satisfaction. This term often implies a sense of creativity, resourcefulness, and independence. In everyday language, you might hear phrases like, "My neighbor is a real DIY enthusiast. She renovated her entire kitchen by herself," or, "I've become a DIY enthusiast during the lockdown. And I've learned so much about home repairs." Understanding this term can help you better appreciate the context in which it's used and the type of person it describes. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, DIY enthusiast. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, language learning is all about discovering new phrases and their meanings, just like a DIY enthusiast loves discovering new projects. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.